If you still need to bring the iPad to your child for them to communicate, then this is a video for you. Hi, I'm Athena, an ABA Educational and Social Skills Therapist and a parent coach for families with children with autism. And today we are going to cover how to guide your child to be able to come and get your attention without you bringing the iPad to them whenever they throw a tantrum. And so, how can we slowly increase our distance between our child and you and the iPad or the tablet or the phone so that your child would effectively go and take them to request for something? First, we have to do it with close proximity. So your child has to be beside you when this happens. If your child is not holding the iPad himself, then you need to start handing over the iPad to your child. Your child needs to be in full control in being able to access and hold the iPad. So in this case, Winnie should be the one holding the iPad when he's requesting with me instead of me holding the iPad for him. So when he holds the iPad, I'll be like, yes, Winnie, what do you want? And he will press Dino, and then I'll present Dino to Winnie. And slowly, over time, when you see there's an increase in him being able to hold the iPad, then it's time to start increasing the distance between you and your child. It could be as short as just 1 meter away. So your child may be here, and then I'm here. And what we can do is we can put the iPad in the middle. Your child starts to walk over to the iPad and press Spinner. So what you can do if you have another person at home, it would be really good to guide from behind and guide Winnie to hold the tablet and walk towards you. So that will just be a short 1 meter walk. And then you can get down to Winnie's eye level and say, yes, Winnie, what do you want? And Winnie would press Spinner. For example, Spinner. And that's how we can slowly increase the distance. Maybe from 1 meter to maybe a dining table across, and then to across the room, and slowly increase the distance as they get comfortable and your child is starting to learn how to walk towards you with the iPad to request. So the only way for them to be motivated to do this is that when they request, they do get the items that they want. Try your very best to give them the items. Let's say if it's food and it's too much, then break it up into very, very tiny pieces so that your child only gets a limited amount and we're not stuffing them with junk all the time. I hope this series has really brought about a different perspective of how we can use visuals to increase your child's communication, how to go about it, how to create it, and how to use it. And if you still have any more questions, or you still struggle or find it a challenge to help your child communicate effectively with you, do not hesitate to reach out through our WhatsApp or our contact page. Take care, stay safe, be empowered, and goodbye for now. See ya!